welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the XUMM, which is the XRP wallet, to swap any token. I mean any token. Now most people are having issues with the wallet. Some will tell you that they are not able to swap anything, but today I'm going to show you right on this video. I'm going to show you how to use the DEX to swap any of your token, and don't forget to watch my previous video on how to set up your XUML wallet. Make sure you watch the previous video so that you can follow the next step. Then I will show you two ways of swapping it. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys. Let's get started. Now you open your XUML wallet. Okay, this is the wallet. My own XRP wallet is already set up and I've already started receiving airdrops. So now the exchange people normally use in swapping their tokens is this one. Once you click on it, you see exchange. Now most times this exchange is not available and you can't swap it. Sometimes you see 10 XRP, your coin might be worth 10 XRP and you are not able to swap it. So this, I'm going to show you a perfect way of swapping it. Now let's try out this DEX. If you found that this is an error, it's not showing swap on below, which means you can't swap it here, but they are showing you exchange rate. This is the exchange rate of this XUMM. So this is the error. The price difference between selling and buying offers is too high. So now how do you sell these tokens? Most times most people are stuck with the tokens because they can't sell it. No, now I'm going to show you a different way of selling those tokens. First, you click right here below, this icon below, then look for DEX TRADE. DEX TRADE is a decentralized website where you can sell your XRP token. Now in this place you are not limited. Even though your XRP is worth the least 0.0001 XRP, you can still sell them. Maybe in case you didn't see this on your DEX, you have to click view more and you see a search bar. You can search it here, but you can, I know once you click it, you see your DEX trade. Now when you click on your DEX trade, now you have a quiz on your dashboard. Now that quiz, you have to answer at least 3 questions correctly to be able to access this interface. Now this is the interface where we are buying and selling and everything, and is on the market price. We have the limit order. You can put the market order price. Now we want to sell our ZULU token. First we have to click here. Now after clicking there, you see the options. Now click here to find the token that you want to swap. Now when you finish clicking it, now all the tokens in your wallet will appear here. As you can see, all the tokens in my wallet are showing here. Now I'll click here. Now I'm now on the marketplace. Now let's get started. Now I'm having 2000 UML at the price of, now this is the same price we saw on the DEX, and we are not able to swap it there, but we can swap it here. Now let's see something. Let's swap 0.1. now 0.1, we can buy 0.1 with 0.1 XRP for that amount. You can still sell any amount you want to sell. So when you're doing this, now you look below, you will receive, once you see this receive, that means you're buying or selling, this is what you're exchanging for. This receive, this is what you're exchanging for, and this is your fund. Now let's go to buy. Now if I click increase, and they are asking, yeah, they are saying I will receive 0.0 XRP, which is, let's say, 0.1, which is 0.1. Now let's click on the buy. Now it will ask for verification. Now you pay some fees. Once it get verified, you have to wait. Okay, our order is successful now. Now I've successfully sell this token that was not showing on the other DEX. This is how to sell your XRP token on this DEX trade. So I know most of you are having difficulty in selling the other way around, but if you use this pattern, you can be able to sell any token, anyone. As you can see other ones here. If we, okay, let's try out this one. Let's try out this one, XMU. Now this is the XMU price. If I put all and put the price and put the amount, this is what I'll get. I'll get 1.902 XRP. But when you go back, let me go back and show you guys. Now this is the same token we're about to sell. If you come to exchange, most times it doesn't show it to exchange. This is it, it's empty, you can't exchange it. But through that place you can exchange it without any error or any, you can exchange it in case maybe you want to unmint your tokens, just like as we've just sold our ZULU. Yeah, we can still swap it, but there we have already swapped it. So I want to thank you once again for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube video, and I'll give you more update on anything crypto, airdrop. We make sure you follow me on Twitter so that you can get the latest airdrop, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.